Ugh. Y'all, I hate when like my hair, I like just retwist it, but then I'd be getting like so tired, so I don't like retwist it in like a proper way where like it clips down. So my scalp hurts. Ow. 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 How does this look? Where's my phone? I just hate how flat my hair looks after retwist. Ugh. All right, let me start this. Hey guys, it's me Danyelle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute, but you know there have been some changes, some things that's been going down in your girl's life. Like I just wrapped up my summer internship. Yay, cue the applause. and your girl is almost at 500 subscribers. Like yo, okay, like today is August 13th. And when I checked it last night, your girl was at 497 subscribers. So who knows, today might be the day that we hit 500 and I am so hyped, so hyped. And because, you know, I'm starting to get more subscribers, shout outs to y'all, I decided, hey, let's up the quality of these videos. Hence this thing right here. Wait, I feel like I might have messed up my audio right there, but if you can't see it, your girl has a mic now. I feel so legit. But yeah, so those are, I guess, like the major changes that has happened in my life, I guess. Also, from the side that I may or may not be sad the fact that I'm not going back to school, which means that I'm stuck in New York right now, which means I need to find a real adult job. But you know, we can get into that later. But for what you are here for, this will be the 17-month vlog update. And I feel like I hit my mic again. Throw it over my shoulder. So my babies are 17 months, lads, y'all. So what changes have happened? Nothing major. I think right now I'm just getting accustomed to how my locks grow. Like they've been just doing their thing. My hair is growing. Like my hair has gotten so much length. Like you're gonna see that when I do like the 360 and all that later on in the video. But like my hair hangs and I can like definitely like feel it in the back, especially like at the, what do they call it, like the nape of neck. I could feel it there and it's like, yes, look at me getting this hang time. Oh, so I'm so hyped about that. Like you can't like really see it because like I retwisted, so like it's like curled up at the roots and stuff, so you can't like see the real length. But like y'all, my hair is growing. Like it's growing. I'm so happy about that, so happy. Also I've noticed that like I have my problem area is like right here. Like this gets super dry and it also gets like really flaky and nasty, and I like just started using gel to like flick down my edges for when I put it back in one, which is like now my go-to hairstyle. But I don't know how I'm gonna keep doing that while having this as a problem area. So I'm wondering if maybe I should start like going over my scalp with aloe vera, because I have a plan. If I should go over with aloe vera in the front area, since that is my problem area, and that might help with the keeping it moisturized and not getting all like gunky and nasty, because you know that front part is like the first people see, and I don't need it to be like a whole different color than like my face, because that's wild, you know. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, those are the only things I want to say for my hair. Yeah, as far as like my routine goes, yeah, nothing has changed. I'm still using my leave-in conditioner from Alki Naturals. Y'all know that is my holy grail. I will never cheat on her with another, ever. But yeah, so that's still in my rotation. I haven't been oiling my scalp as much as I usually do, mostly because like this summer has just been like so sweaty and hot, and I've just been feeling so gunky and nasty having that oil on here, especially with like the sweat, because I'm sweating. So I think when it gets colder and drier, then I'll probably go back to oiling regularly. But for now, it's just probably too much for my scalp. So I finally finished my shampoo. As y'all know from my like earlier videos, I was using the Cantu Shea Butter's moisturizing and clarifying shampoo. I was using the two of them together, and those are finally finished. So now I'm thinking about like if I'm gonna go back to that or if I'm gonna try something new. And when I say try something new, I really just mean if I'm gonna start using Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, because I really love that for my hair. The only concern with that would be that it dries it out, so I would have to get like a moisturizing shampoo to put that back in my hair. So that's option number one. And option number two would be to use Giovanni's tea tree oil shampoo, which was my staple when I was a loose natural, because it really helped with my scalp. And since my scalp is seeming to be a problem area for me, I'm wondering if I should go back to that. So let me know in the comments what y'all think, like Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap or the Giovanni tea tree oil shampoo, which was like really good for my scalp. So I feel like I kind of may have answered my question, but I still want y'all to put it in the comment section below. So yeah, that's what it is as far as products go. Now, I think it was my last video that I mentioned that I wanted to be better as far as like eating healthier and drinking more water. So as far as eating healthier, maybe not so much. I haven't exactly gotten to where I want to be as far as eating healthier, but I have been drinking a lot of water. So as y'all know, got this bottle from Amazon and this is like a whole gallon. So I tasked myself with drinking this every day. I mean, for the past 2 days, I've kind of been off it, but for like the past almost 3 months now, I've been like so consistent that it doesn't even feel like a chore. Like I'm going through those gallons like this. Like I could not go back to regular size bottle. Like I would just feel like parched. But yeah, this gallon of water has like truly like changed my life in a sense. Like it helps me feel more consistent with my water intake, and it's been doing wonders for my skin. Like you can't tell from like these marks and pumping butts. It's done wonders for my skin. Like I feel like my face is just breaking out as a result of like my hair, because it was like dirty from like the sweat and all that, which is why I was trying to keep it back in one. So I think keeping it back in one will definitely be like my go-to style. Yeah, because that definitely doesn't keep it on my face, because like my face retains all that oil and stuff, and hence the breakouts. Like I was having like crazy breakouts around my perimeter, which is not cute. But yeah, this water has been wonderful, like for my hair. Like, so the last time I washed prior to this one, I did use my conditioner, and I am using the Giovanni avocado and olive oil conditioner. And my hair felt so good, but usually like right after I use the conditioner, it feels good, but then like by the end of the week, it's like super dry. But with this water intake, my hair has been feeling so good, so healthy. It's not dry at all. It just feels like regular locks. Like it feels like it has some zhuzh in there. Yeah. So I'm very happy that I started, drinking this much water. Like I would definitely challenge you guys to try this. Like I know like eating healthy is like hard, like especially for me. Like I just don't know where to start. So something as simple as challenging yourself to drink a gallon of water a day is like a baby step. Like that's a very simple, easy step you could do. Like just buy yourself a gallon water bottle, and it's a great conversation starter. I'm telling you, y'all, Karen from work gonna be asking you about it all the time. So if you feel like making friends, this is a good way to start. So now would be the part in my lock update where I would measure my locks. However, as I mentioned in my last video, it's not really conducive for me to like be measuring my locks if I don't have like an identifier. So one of you guys, I think your name is Brittany, shout outs to you, because that was a really good suggestion. She suggested that I just get lock jewelry or something to put on the locks that I'm gonna keep measuring. So that's what I'm gonna do. But like, there have been issues with like the postal service. Like I'm not getting my packages. So it's somewhere in this space. Like, I ordered like a couple weeks ago, so it should have been here, but it's like stuck at the office somehow. So I didn't get it in time for this video, so I'm sorry. But when I do get it, I'll just make a whole separate video about like the lock jewelry, like where I got it, how I put it in, and then I'm gonna measure my locks then. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, I feel like that's it. So what are things that I'm looking forward to next week? Well, nothing. I'm just looking forward to keeping my hair growing and having it to be long and healthy, i.e. long, because I want my locks to grow so long. Oh yeah, I have a wedding coming up in 2 weeks, so that would be my first attempt at styling my own hair. So like, my mom, who has sister locks, she got these like things that like curl your locks. I think they're called like loop curl locks or whatever it is. And when I put them in to try like curl my hair for the wedding, I'm actually gonna do a video on that. So that should be exciting. Look at me putting up content for y'all, since I haven't been here for like months. But your girl's back, and I'm so glad I got to this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. You know, stay connected. Follow me on social media, on Twitter at Elises, and on Instagram at I am Elises, or at Elises if you want to see more of my design stuff. You know what? Plug. So your girl is a freelance designer, and I've just started getting into motion design. So if y'all need that type of stuff, feel free to email me at delise14@gmail.com. That would all be in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.